Welcome back. Let us pause for a moment with what you built in the last unit. A full dashboard, 10 charts, health expenditure, life expectancy, mortality, TB burden, undernourishment, HIV trend, a map, a pivot table. That is a lot of evidence. And then Dia, our journalist, narrowed the dashboard to 3 countries: India, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. But here's the question. Is the dashboard enough? It shows patterns. It shows contrast. It shows where the story may be, but it does not fully explain why the story looks that way. That is what this unit is about. Think about Bangladesh for a moment. The dashboard shows low health expenditure and high maternal mortality. That is a finding. Useful, yes? But it leaves us asking, what is happening behind that number? Are community health workers reaching households? Are facilities able to respond? Is the challenge funding, quality, accountability, or something else? The chart cannot answer all of that on its own. So, Dia turns to secondary research, reports, articles, policy briefs, public health documents, sources that already exist. In this unit, when we say web scraping, we mean structured collection of public evidence. We are not writing code, we are collecting useful text, carefully and keeping a clean record of where it came from. Here is something important. We are not looking for sources that only agree with us. That would make the analysis weaker, not stronger. We are looking for 3 kinds of evidence. First, evidence that supports the dashboard. A report might say, yes, facility quality is a known barrier in this country. Second, evidence that challenges the dashboard. A source might say, the national average hides major regional differences. Third, evidence that adds context. Maybe the numbers are correct, but a program model explains why one country performs better than another. That is the work. Support, challenge, context. All 3 are useful. Now, because we are working with public evidence, we need a few simple rules. Use public sources only. Do not collect privately held or personal information. Record the source title, publisher, and date. Write short notes in your own words. And be careful with language. We do not say, this report proves the reason. That is too strong. We say, this source suggests one possible explanation. Or, this adds context to the dashboard pattern. That small change in the language matters. It keeps the analysis honest. Let us bring this back to our 3 countries. For Bangladesh, Dia might look for evidence on community health workers, referral systems, and facility quality. For India, she might look at the community health network, district facilities, and coordination at referral points. For Vietnam, she might look at commune health centers, primary care organization, and local accountability. Notice the pattern. We are not just collecting random facts. Each search connects to something the dashboard already raised. By the end of this unit, you will have a secondary evidence tracker, 2 evidence notes per country, 6 notes in total. Small, focused, useful. And here is why that matters. In Module 5, Dia will need to move from analysis to insight. She cannot do that from dashboard numbers alone. She needs context. She needs tension. She needs to know where the report agree with the dashboard and where they complicate it. So now, let us move from the idea to the doing. In the next video, we open the tracker and build the first evidence note together.